Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. Today's question is based on complex number as well as sequence from JEE Main. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0, Sn equals to 2023 alpha to the power n plus 2024 beta to the power n, which one of the following is correct? First option is twice S12 equals to S11 plus S10. B option is S12 is equal to S11 plus S10. C option is twice S11 is equal to S12 plus S10. And fourth option is also there. I have not mentioned here. So, because our answer is in between here, three options. So, question is given, it is given information r x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0 and Sn equals to 2023 alpha to the power n plus 2024 beta to the power n. Now from this expression, let us get the expression for S n minus 1. Sum of n minus 1 terms will be 2023 alpha to the power n minus 1 plus 2024 beta to the power n minus 1. In the same way, if I take sum of n minus 2 terms, it will be 2023 alpha to the power n minus 2 plus 2024 beta to the power n minus 2. Now next, let us add these two terms. So S of n minus 1, sum of n minus 2 equals to 2023 alpha to the power n minus 1 plus 2023 alpha to the power n minus 2 plus 2024 beta to the power n minus 1 plus 2024 beta to the power n minus 2. So this sum is equals to, on simplifying, as sum of n minus 1 term and sum of n minus 2 terms is equals to taking 2023 alpha to the power n minus 1 common from first and second, it will be your 1 plus alpha. Very sorry, we will take n minus 2 terms. The same way, 2024, I'll take beta to the power n minus 2 terms, I'll get 1 plus beta. Now let's see, this equation is given 1 minus x square. The equation is x square minus x minus 1 is 0. From this, we'll get x square equals to 1 plus x. So we'll put this, that means 1 plus alpha equals to alpha square and 1 plus beta equals to beta square. So s of n minus 1 plus s of n minus 2 equals to 2023 alpha to the power n minus 2 into alpha square and 2024 beta to the power n minus 2 into beta square, or this equals to s of n minus 1 plus s of n minus 2 equals to 2023 alpha power n plus 2024 beta to the power n. This is nothing but your Sn, sum of n terms. So we are getting expression sum of n terms equals to sum of n minus 1 plus sum of n minus 2. Next, we'll put n equals to 12 because the relation is between 10 and 11 and 12. The options are given. Relation between s of 11 terms, 12 terms, and 10 terms. So I'm putting n equals to 12. I'll get s12 equals to here s11 plus s10. So to find out what is the options, this B is the answer. B is correct answer. Thank you for watching.